Today we're going to show you how to clean a solenoid on a PPP sheep jetter. First thing you need to do is undo all the bolts and put them aside. Next, you can remove the faceplate of the solenoid unit. When removing this, make sure to remember which way it's facing. The arrow needs to be pointing towards the black box. Next thing you need to do is get yourself some fuse wire, or alternatively, a single bristle from a wire brush. Now, I'm going to clean out the 4 holes on the solenoid with the piece of wire. Be careful when cleaning out this hole, as this is where the plunger and coil are. Push your wire through the hole like this, making sure to get any sand or grit that may be blocking it. You can now do the other side. These holes are a bit bigger. Now the holes are clean, you can put the solenoid back together. It's very important to make sure you have the sunken in part of the rubber seal facing downwards. Now, making sure that the arrow points towards the black box, you can reinstall the faceplate of the solenoid and do up the bolts with the spring washers. PPP, your innovative agricultural equipment specialists.